Welcome to the best picks. The best Milwaukee SDS Hammer Drill is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can find on the market for drilling into concrete, brick, and stone. In this video, we will deep dive into its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if this is the right tool for your next project, and also share some tips and tricks on how to get the most out of this powerful machine. Number 5. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Rotary Hammer. This is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18V lithium-ion brushless cordless SDS Plus rotary hammer. It's powerful, efficient, and built to last. Experience the superior performance of a brushless motor. It delivers more power and runtime than ever before. The SDS Plus system makes bit changes quick and easy. You'll get the job done faster and more efficiently. It features a comfortable D-handle design for optimal control and reduced user fatigue. Work comfortably for extended periods. This rotary hammer is built with durable materials to withstand even the toughest jobs. It's an investment you can rely on. It's ideal for a wide range of applications, from demolition to drilling. It's the perfect tool for any professional. With its powerful motor, ergonomic design, and durable construction, it's the ultimate rotary hammer. Experience the difference today. What we like. This Milwaukee rotary hammer is incredibly powerful and built to last. It's also incredibly versatile, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. If you need a reliable tool that can handle tough jobs, this is the one for you. What people say. Compact and small enough to use with one hand if need be. Plenty of power to get the job done. Don't let the fact it's battery-powered turn you away. While it does eat through the batteries faster than any of my other M18 tools, it does not play around at boring through concrete or asphalt. I purchased this after the company issued an old 20+ lb corded Bosch to drill holes for concrete anchors. That was like carrying around a boat anchor, where the Milwaukee is slightly heavier than an impact. I can get around 90 holes before needing to recharge a battery. Number 4. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Rotary Hammer. This cordless rotary hammer is a game-changer for professionals. Its powerful motor and innovative design make quick work of even the toughest jobs. Experience the fastest drilling speed in its class. It'll significantly boost your productivity on the job site. It's equipped with auto-stop control, a safety feature that senses when it binds up and immediately stops to protect both the tool and the user. This rotary hammer uses the convenient SDS Plus system for quick and easy bit changes. Get in and out of jobs faster than ever before. It's part of the expanding Milwaukee M18 system, giving you access to over 200 compatible tools and batteries. Maximize your investment and efficiency. This tool delivers the power and performance you need to tackle any project. It's built to last and designed for professional use. What we like. This model boasts the fastest drilling speed in its class, significantly boosting your productivity. The innovative auto-stop control prevents damage from bind-ups. If you value speed and safety, and already have other M18 tools, this is a great choice. What people say. The Milwaukee 2912-20 is a beast. Brushless motor delivers strong performance, and the compact design makes it easy to handle. Highly durable and perfect for heavy-duty drilling. Purchase this for a bunch of local projects needing completed. 2 core drills for natural gas lines, 5 16 holes for tap cons, and a multitude of other uses. The very first job I used this on was a 5-core drill for a dryer vent through 6 concrete. It worked an absolute charm, a handful of batteries and some time to let the drill and bit to air cool, and it handled it with zero problems. I do a lot of masonry drilling for my job, and we use the M18 version for larger holes, but the M12 is much lighter and works much better than a standard drill for drilling the smaller anchor holes in brick. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Rotary Hammer. This is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Rotary Hammer. It's designed for ease of use and comfortable handling, making tough jobs easier. Experience the superior power and performance of this rotary hammer. It tackles the most demanding applications with ease. It's built with high-quality materials for exceptional durability. You can rely on it for years of reliable service. Its user-friendly design makes it simple to operate. You'll get the job done quickly and efficiently. This rotary hammer runs on an 18-volt battery, providing ample power for any task. It's ready when you are. Choose the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Rotary Hammer for unmatched power, durability, and ease of use. Experience the difference. What we like. Known for its user-friendly design and robust build, it's a breeze to operate. Its larger capacity makes it ideal for more demanding tasks. If you prioritize ease of use and durability, this is a perfect fit for you. What people say. Surprisingly quiet and ergonomically perfect. It worked great using the chipper function. This Milwaukee SDS Plus drill has superb performance, it is quiet and powerful, while seeming to be long-lasting. Number 2. Milwaukee M12 Fuel 2416-21XC. This is the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 2416-21XC, a powerful yet compact rotary hammer. It's designed for comfortable extended use on the job. It boasts the largest SDS Plus bit capacity in its class, handling even the toughest jobs with ease. You'll be able to tackle more with less effort. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. You'll appreciate the reduced fatigue during prolonged use. The built-in LED light illuminates your work surface, ensuring visibility even in dimly lit areas. This helps you to work more accurately and safely. Experience the power and precision of the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 2416-21XC. It's the perfect tool for professionals who demand the best. What we like. This compact and lightweight design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. The integrated LED light enhances visibility in dimly lit areas. If you need a tool that's easy on your hands and provides excellent illumination, this is the one. What people say. This hammer drill is excellent. Especially for just doing tap cons. Lightweight, very strong battery life is excellent. The rotary hammer was great. It worked great drilling anchors in brick and in the concrete. For a lightweight 12V unit I didn't expect this much power. Also very comfortable to hold and use. Number 1. 5262-21 Rotary Hammer Kit. This kit is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. It's powerful yet lightweight, perfect for various tasks. Experience drilling speeds 40% faster than before. Get the job done quickly and effortlessly. It features a variable position chisel stop, allowing you to adjust it for any orientation. This ensures versatility for any project. It delivers 2.4 ft-lbs of impact energy while weighing only 5.8 pounds. This balance of power and portability is unmatched. The powerful 7.0 amp motor delivers 0 to 1500 rpm and 0 to 5625 bpm for optimal performance. It handles any tough job with ease. It offers 3 modes of operation: rotary hammer, hammer only, and rotation only. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. The built-in mechanical clutch protects it when the bit binds, preventing damage to the tool and ensuring your safety. What we like. This rotary hammer offers 40% faster drilling speeds than the competition, saving you valuable time. Its versatility and lightweight design make it perfect for various applications. If you prioritize speed and efficiency, this is the tool for you. What people say. This hammer drill performed far better than I expected. It was effortless to use and drill 1 2-inch holes in concrete. Just spent 2 hours clearing tile from a bathroom and got at least twice as far as I did with a Ryobi battery-powered rotary hammer drill. This Milwaukee came in case a little dusty but otherwise perfect. Had 60, 1/2x 4.5 holes to drill in poured concrete foundation walls. Tried my Bosch hammer drill and each hole took 4 to 5 minutes to drill with arm braking pressure on the bit. This Milwaukee Marvel drilled each hole in 25 seconds with very little bit pressure at all. Wow, what an awesome rotary hammer. It is wonderful. And the lightweight makes it easy on the arms. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.